Hey guys, it's Neil and welcome to Hardcore Linux. Manjaro Linux is one of the most popular Linux distributions on the planet and impressively one of the top 3 over at the ever popular website DistroWatch. But does it hold up as something you should run as a daily driver? Find out in this Manjaro XFCE review. So let's get started. Installation. Installation is exactly the same as it has been for as long as I can remember. So I am not going into details how it works. It's pretty much identical to every Linux distribution from that standpoint. Desktop. Boot up was as expected quite fast. Manjaro has always impressed me from a speed perspective. One of the nice features that Manjaro and other handful Linux distributions include a handy welcome window, which is Manjaro Hello in this case. From a user experience perspective, this is a good way to introduce users to their new environment and offer them some resources to help them familiarize themselves with the OS. I have always been a big fan of those little touches. The XFCE desktop. The Manjaro desktop is customized XFCE experience using a customized version of the adopted theme. There is a menu on the left hand side of your screen, your system tray icon on the right hand side, and few icons on desktop. By default, Manjaro comes with a solid selection of softwares like Firefox, LibreOffice, Oculus for your music libraries, and more. Customization. XFCE is fairly easy to customize. For the panel, you can quickly add items to the panel by right-clicking on it and choosing panel followed by add new items. To modify the various theme settings, you can open appearance from the menu in the bottom left corner. Manjaro folks are kind enough to include quite a few nice theme options to select from if you don't like the default look and feel. So feel free to explore Manjaro XFCE. Manjaro apps. Manjaro provides some of their own integrated software as well, such as the Manjaro Settings Manager, which allow you to select from a number of available kernels, download additional language packages, and third-party drivers for your hardware. You can access it either from the small M icon on the system tray by the clock or under Settings in main menu. Switching kernel is incredibly easy in Manjaro. Just be careful in doing so. I wouldn't recommend just swapping it out unless you know what you are doing or have a distinct purpose for doing so. Included applications. Oculus is included as a default music player and does a good job of providing enough facilities to suit most of the users. It also has a nice selection of packages to help extend your player. Stream for Gaming appears to be included with this release as well. Software is managed with easy-to-use Pacman Manager, and it worked for me without any kind of issues. There is a nice hefty selection of software to choose from here as well, which is nice to see. All over, there is a good selection of pre-installed and available applications to choose from. And now comes the conclusion part. Manjaro 18 looks pretty solid release. I came across no deal breakers and was able to work with the environment without any kind of issues. Everything felt fast and lean. But in the end, I wouldn't use Manjaro Linux as my daily driver. And there are two main reasons. Number one is of course the package management. Since I am a developer and a Linux administrator, I mainly have to work with RPM and Debian package management systems. And on the developer side, I am a Java developer, and for industrial purpose, I need Oracle Java. And the reason number two is of course sometimes Manjaro and any kind of rolling release got some broken packages. For example, say Kazam. That's a video recorder I use to record videos. In Manjaro, Kazam didn't work pretty well. And the same story goes for OBS. So unfortunately I have to switch back to Ubuntu. But in the end, I am giving Manjaro a 5 out of 5 as a stable Linux distribution. An average user shouldn't got any kind of problems with Manjaro Linux. I have used Manjaro in past and never got any kind of stability issues with it. So I am giving it a 5 out of 5 due to the inclusion of such a wide variety of solid software and stability and speed of the release. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like it. If you guys do, give this video a like, share and do subscribe. And always thanks a lot for watching. It's Hardcore Linux signing off. Peace guys.